Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over the XDB DigitalBits cryptocurrency, which is an enterprise-grade blockchain focusing on bringing mass adoption to crypto. So in this video, I'll be going over the XDB token, what it is, what it does, what I think about the project, as well as its token price potential. If that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. Also, if you're new to Crypto Empire, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos, and let the gains be with you. So here we are taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap. Current date is July 23rd, 2022. Bitcoin is trading for $22,293, and the overall market cap is $1.06 trillion. But today we will be focusing on a micro cap cryptocurrency known as DigitalBits, ticker symbol XDB, coming in at rank number 565 in the market cap with a $30.3 million market cap. So I would consider $30 million a micro cap cryptocurrency, meaning that it has the potential to do a face melting pump if conditions do permit when the bull market does start back up. And I do believe that this project, as long as it doesn't just cease to exist altogether, which I don't see happening, I think it has the potential to do very well in the future. So you're probably asking yourself, if you've never heard of XDB, what is it? Why is it so special? Why am I talking about it in this video? Well, I'm glad that you did bring that up. Let's get into that right now. What is DigitalBits? Long story short, it is a layer 1 blockchain focusing on bringing mass adoption to cryptocurrency. Like I did say, we can read over here on the CoinGecko page. DigitalBits closes the gap of blockchain adoption by integrating with consumer apps, unlocking value in the pockets of millions. DigitalBits is a third generation protocol over the former Stellar network that's tackling the challenges of usability and mainstream adoption. By bringing together technology, team, and enterprise-grade execution, DigitalBits is bringing crypto to the masses. This is backed by some of the top-tier crypto funds and advisors. XDB targets an enterprise go-to-market strategy with a focus on the points economy, further accelerating the adoption of blockchain technology into society. So they want DigitalBits to be a main blockchain used by millions, billions of people all around the world. XDB is a quite well-known cryptocurrency despite how small it is. We can head over to the main page, digitalbits.io, and we can see that David Beckham is a global ambassador of this project. We can read a little bit about this David Beckham announcement here on the site. So we all know who David Beckham is, right? Retired soccer player. As one of the world's most successful athlete turned businessman, Beckham will help to communicate the transformative power of the DigitalBits blockchain to consumers, brands, and other organizations worldwide. So we can go ahead and read Beckham talking about he's working on some NFT collections and more innovations in the future. He's excited about partnering up with DigitalBits and the DigitalBits Foundation. And a lot of cool stuff here. Read a little bit about the DigitalBits blockchain. We can see that it is fast, eco-friendly, and built for brands, driving innovation and cultivating new ways for David Beckham to connect with his fans across the world. With a shared interest in disruptive and inclusive technology, Beckham will embark on a series of exciting projects that will demonstrate the power and potential of DigitalBits blockchain technology, which is fast and eco-friendly compared to many other platforms. What have I been saying here at Crypto Empire will be a booming, massive trend going forward. The green, carbon neutral, eco-friendly cryptocurrencies, DigitalBits, exploiting that niche in the market here with their copywriting on their website. You absolutely love to see it. So let's get into some recent news about the XDB token. First things first, it was launched on the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token. Now the DigitalBits mainnet will be going live soon, and we can see that on August 15th, in less than 1 month, they're going to commence the token swap of the ERC20 DigitalBits token to the mainnet tokens, and the DigiFinex exchange is going to be the first exchange to offer full support for the new mainnet XDB token. So we can read right here, the DigitalBits mainnet token is the native token of the DigitalBits blockchain. Every blockchain address on the DigitalBits blockchain requires mainnet tokens to enable functional use of the account and for transaction fees on the network associated with an array of uses, including sending payments and minting NFTs. Just like Ethereum, just like Polygon Matic, it's needed basically for gas to do anything on the network. You need to hold some XDB in your wallet to transact. Very simple. The mainnet token can also serve as a bridge token between the two on-chain tokens that don't have a direct market. All right, so I will leave the link for this token swap announcement down in the description below if you're already holding XDB tokens and you want to learn how to swap them to the mainnet. And then they also did announce that 100 million XDB ERC20 tokens will be burnt. That was 2 days ago, July 21st. As I said in the beginning of the video, it's currently July 23rd, 2023. So they're going to burn 100 million tokens. So we can read this is going to reduce the total supply for the XDB ERC20 token from 1.5 billion to 1.4 billion tokens. All right, so some more scarcity. That is very cool to see. This is getting put into place here, so be sure to follow their Medium for all updates. So let's get into a little bit about the DigitalBits Foundation. Basically, all the DigitalBits Foundation is it was built, it was developed, founded to support the growth of the DigitalBits cryptocurrency on their goal for crypto mass adoption. It really is that simple. Obviously, they're in charge of partnerships. They got David Beckham on board, etc., etc. And here's the founder of the DigitalBits blockchain, Al Bergio. For anybody who wants to do the research on who the team is behind this project, you should definitely look into Al and his background. We can read a little bit right here that it was 2017, and the previous company that he founded was in the midst of being acquired, and he was already thinking about the next journey. The blockchain technology industry quickly became his main focus, and the vision for what would become the DigitalBits open source project soon became his new passion. He then went on to go ahead and start up DigitalBits. Now we can fast forward a few years to 2020. He also saw a new leading supporter emerge within the DigitalBits ecosystem with the launch of the DigitalBits Foundation. So the foundation was started in 2020. Yes, it is 2022, no, halfway through 2022. So this token, as you can see, circulating supply is 762 million with a total supply of 1.4 billion. So over half of the tokens already in circulation. Keep in mind, this is a microcap crypto. Whales hold a ton of this cryptocurrency, which is a good thing, right? Because when things turn bullish, they're going to be the ones who are really going to facilitate the price action that you're going to want to see. So we can see over here that the all-time high is 85 cents, currently down 95% from that all-time high. So it does have room to run. Let's get into talking about the price right now. You have a very good idea of what DigitalBits is now at this point in the video. It's a layer 1 blockchain built for mass adoption, NFTs, trading cryptos, etc., etc. Anything you can do in Ethereum, anything you can do in Solana, anything you can do in Polygon Matic, you're going to be able to do it here on DigitalBits. And basically, they're going to keep on getting these big, prominent celebrity figures on board to try and bring new users to the blockchain. So that's it. That's what it is. So as long as the project doesn't cease to exist, I think it can easily at least double from its current price, right? Even in this bear market right now. This is a daily chart. If we go to a weekly price chart, we can go ahead and take a look at what's happening on the weekly over here. And on the weekly, it hasn't been at these price levels since a year ago. As you can see, July of 2021, exactly 1 year ago, was the last time that price was down here at around 4 cents. So looking at this weekly chart, it's very obvious to see that currently price is holding a major support level. If we look to when the token was launched, this was a major resistance level. It's been used as a major resistance level multiple times, and now it's holding as support, all right? So whether or not the bottom is in really isn't the point here. The point is that this thing is down 95% from its all-time high. As you can see right here, down 95% from its all-time high, trading at 4 cents. I've known about this token for quite some time, and I do recall over here in May and June, I saw a lot of people very, very bullish on it, and I didn't say a peep because I thought it was going to go down more. Now here we are. It has lost from this point. It's lost 80% of its value. Now I feel more comfortable being a buyer of this, not here at 18 cents, but here at 4 cents. I feel much more comfortable about being a buyer of DigitalBits. And like I said, this isn't really a price prediction video, but as long as this thing just doesn't disappear off the face of the earth, it can easily pull a 2x back up to 8 cents. Really not too far at all. Could happen in a week, could happen in a month, could happen in 6 months. But this does look like, to me, a pretty reliable way to bare minimum double your money. And by the time the next bull run comes around, could easily retrace back up towards 85 cents. So being that this is such a micro cap, I wouldn't actively trade this. The strategy with this one is to basically accumulate as much of it as you do see fit for your own personal portfolio goals in cryptocurrency. And I'm not going to drop this down anything past the daily price chart. As you can see on the daily, we're in a very strong downtrend. And this thing looks like it could be forming a bit of a double bottom over here. We're going to see if this structure does hold. And if this is a double bottom, well, then we can push back up, back to the trend line. And even just to this trend line, we are looking at around a gain of 70%. So I do like this token. It has a lot going for it. Big global ambassadors. They're going for a worldwide recognized brand. They want to bring mass adoption to blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. And right now, the token is at an attractive price level for me. I like how I'm not a buyer up here at 18 cents. If I buy it now, I'm buying below 4 cents. To me, that looks good. Looks like we might have a double bottom forming down here on the chart and can easily 2x back up to 8 cents and beyond from this level. Not financial advice, of course, but I'm just letting you know what I am thinking here in terms of this micro cap cryptocurrency. It does seem like a bit of a layup here. I want to hear from you, though. What do you think about DigitalBits? Let me know in the comments section down below. So in this video, we went over the XDB DigitalBits cryptocurrency, what it is, what it does, who's on board, who's on the team, as well as my price outlook. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by leaving a like down below. Also, if you're new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.